Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today we are going to do level 1 problems from percentage. We have already discussed all the concepts related to percentage. Now we will solve a few problems. Let's see the first question. Express each of the following as a percentage. So here we have few values, so we need to show them in the form of percentage. Okay, so 38 out of 100. So let's see how we can represent this statement in the form of percentage. So percentage means what? So percentage means out of 100 how much, right? So that means 1 over 100 is equal to percentage. Okay, so 38 out of 100 means what? Yeah, so out of 100 parts, 38 part. So these we can rewrite it as 38 times 1 over 100. Then 1 over 100 means what? It's a percentage, right? So that means it's a 38 percentage. Okay, so I simply converted 1 over 100 as percentage. Okay, next let's see 80 over 500. Here in denominator we don't have 100. Here we have 100, so it's very easy to write 100. But here we have 500. So we have to convert this fraction as something over 100, not 500. So I want to take out the common factor here. So if I take out like 5 tables, 16 5s 80 and 100 5s 500. Okay, so now I converted denominator from 500 to 100 by taking out the common factors between numerator and denominator. So then that's it, 16% is my answer. Next, here I have decimal value. So how I can convert decimal values into the percentage? Just need to multiply with the 100%. Okay, so let's multiply 0.007, which is equal to, so whenever you are multiplying with the multiples of 10, so how many zeros we have, that many decimal point shifting will be there. Okay, so here two zeros are there, then our decimal point has to shift 2 points to the right side. Okay, so which is 0.7%. Okay, next, if it is a division, so decimal point will shift to the left position. If it is a multiplication, it will shift to the right position. Next, 4 times 100%. Sorry, 2.4 times 100%. So again here it's a multiplication. So decimal point has to shift two digits, right? So which is 2 4. So actually here it will be 0. So 240%, that is 240%. Okay, so that's how we can represent these values in the form of percentage. So let's see few more problems. Let me set the board first. Yeah, here it is. Complete the following table. So we need to fill the values in this table. So here in this table, some questions they have given in the form of fraction, and they are asking us to find decimal and percentage. In some questions we have percentage and decimal. We need to find out the other two values. Okay, so let's solve the first question, which is fraction 7 over 10. So how to convert it in the form of decimal? So just we need to divide. 7 over 10 means how much? 0.7, because it is a division. So our decimal point has to shift to the left position, right? So 1 0 is there, so 1 left position, 0.7. So multiply with the 100%. Then 0.7 times 100% is equal to how much? So now it has to shift, decimal point has to shift to the right hand side. So which is equal to, so how many digits? 2 digits, which is a 70%. Okay, so if you multiply with the 10, it is like 7%. If you multiply with the 100, it is 70%. So next, solve the next question. So percentage has given, we need to find out the decimal and fraction. So decimal, how to get the decimal? 52 over 100, which is equal to 0.52. Okay, yeah. So because here when you do division, it has to shift to the left side. Okay, so next, fraction. How to get the fraction value? 52 over 100. So we need to take out the common factors, because when you are representing in the form of fractions, ratio, we need to use the simplest form. Okay, so 4 table 13 times, 4 table 25 times. So that's it. Next we will see 0.64. So how to convert into percentage? Just multiply with the 100 percentage. Then we will get 64 percentage. Okay, so now we need to write down the fraction for this. So 64 percentage means 64 over 100. Again here also we need to take out the common factors. So 4 table 16 times, 4 table 25 times. So we don't have any other common factors. Then the fraction is, that's it, 16 over 25. So next we have 8 percentage. So 8 percentage means 8 over 100, which is equal to 0.08, because our decimal point has to shift to the left side 2 positions. Okay, so from here to 1, here is 1 over 0 and 0.08. Okay, so what is the fraction? 8 over 100, and take out your common factor 4 between them, so which is 2 over 25, and we don't have any more common factor. So that's our answer. So that's how we can convert fraction, decimal, percentage from one form to other form. So let's see few more problems. Find the value of each of the following. So we need to find out the values of these expressions. So what they have given? They have given percentage and whole value. So they are asking the part of, this part of means 25 percentage of this whole value is how much. How to do this kind of problems? Already we did, right? So you just need to multiply this percentage and this whole part. Then we will get the, what is the 25 percentage of 80 grams. So 25% means how to write this fraction, this percentage in the form of fraction, which is 25 over 100 times 80 grams. Then we need to take out the common factors. So 0, 0 cancel, and 2 table 5 times in 10 and 4 times in 8. So again 5 table 1 time and 5 table 5 times. So 5 times 4, which is 20 grams, because it is 80 grams, right? So we should write that unit, same unit, so which is 20 grams. Okay, that's it. If you do these all kind of percentage problem, we can use our common sense also to get the answer. Okay, so 200 percentage of 64 grams. So how to get this value? So just multiply this with the 64 grams. 200 over 100 times 64, so which is 4 table 25 times and 4 table 16 times. Again 5 table 25 times and 5 table 40 times. Okay, so again 5 table 8 times. So 16 8s are how much? 128 grams. Okay, 10 8s are 80, 6 8s are 48. Okay, so which is 128. Okay, so we can cross verify, right? So 200 percentage of 64, 100 percentage of 64 means 64, 200 means double, right? 64 plus 64, which is 128. So now let's see 10.5 percentage of 100 meters. So 10.5 over 100 times 100 meters. Okay, don't forget your units. Okay, so 10.5, we are getting same 10.5 meters. So I'll change this question as 400 meters so that you can see the difference. Okay, because if I taking 100 meters, then both are cancelled, I'm getting 10.5 meters. So I'll do this one as 400 meters. So I will write it as here 400 meters. Then 400 over 100 means 4 times, right? So then 10.5 times 4. So what's the value? 10.5 times 4 means 10 4s are 40, 0.5 4s are means 2. So 40 plus 2, which is equal to 42 meters. Okay, so 10.5 percentage of 400 meters is 42 meters. Okay, next one. So 10.5 percentage of 100 meters is 10.5. 10.5 percentage of 400 meters is 42 meters. So let's say this problem 65 percentage of 1 kg. Okay, So here actually I should give in grammars too, but I didn't give. But for example, if you have in two different, whole part is measured in two different units, so we need to convert into one unit. Okay, so how to calculate for this? We'll see 65 over 100 times 1000 grams. So we need to cancel. So now I converted kilograms into grams. Okay, so which is 10 times 65 times 10 is equal to 650 grams if I convert into grams. If I didn't convert, then it is like 1 kg. So 1 kg means 65 over 100 means 0.65 kg. Okay, so but whatever it may be, the whole unit, all the whole unit should be in same unit. It shouldn't be like different units. If you have like 1 kg plus 300 grams, then you need to convert 1 kg 300 grams into grams, or 1 kg 300 grams into kilograms. Okay, then you need to calculate the 65 percentage of that value is how much. Okay, so that's it for today's session. I hope you understand all the problems. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.